To appoint the chairperson, secretary, and members to the Nyamira County Public Service Board. The quorum has been achieved. Allow me to hand you over. Enjoy your viewing.
Clerk, you may proceed to call the first order.
Order number 1, communication from the chair.
Senator Sotsi and company, kindly take your seats. Now, honorable senators, I have a communication to make relating to the business of the Senate as scheduled for consideration during this solemn sitting. You will recall that at the sitting of the Senate held on Thursday, 27th of November 2025, I appointed today, Wednesday, 3rd December 2025, and tomorrow, Thursday, 4th December 2025, as the days when the Senate will hear the charges for the proposed removal from office by impeachment of Honorable Amos Kimomi Nyaribo, Governor of Nyamira County. Via Gazette Notice number 1761-3 dated 2nd December 2025, I notify the general public that pursuant to Standing Order 81B2 of the Senate Standing Orders, the Senate shall investigate the proposed removal from office by impeachment of the Governor of Nyamira County in plenary. Consequently, a hearing program has been prepared and appended to the order paper for today that highlight the various activities to be undertaken in the hearing. Now, honorable senators, in accordance with the schedule of activities for an impeachment hearing in plenary, the Senate will hold a closed-door preparatory session to deliberate on the management of the investigation. The objective of the preparatory session is to ensure that the process is conducted seamlessly, concluded timeously, and in line with the requirements set out under the Constitution and the standing orders. Honorable senators, during the pre-hearing, the parties, if they are present, all members of the public and media will be expected to withdraw from the chamber, and galleries and any form of broadcasting from the chamber shall cease. Consequently, I now direct the parties, all members of the public and the media to withdraw from the chamber, and the galleries and any form of broadcast from the chamber to cease forthwith. In accordance with the hearing program for an impeachment hearing in plenary, the open session will commence at 10 a.m. I thank you.